Hello and welcome to this episode of Microchips. Well, it's that time again, it's new PCB time. Today's video is kindly sponsored by JLCPCB, who have kindly provided these boards for me. And they have also done the SMT work as well, which is very nice. So again, a big thank you to JLCPCB. If you're interested in any of their services, please click on the link below, where you can design your PCBs, get them manufactured for as little as a couple of pounds, with a fast turnaround. I've been using JLC PCB for a few years now, and they've always been absolutely spot on with their circuit boards. So it's really easy to order, just upload your Gerber files, and you may even get a coupon there as well for some money off. With full worldwide shipping, it truly is an excellent place to get your circuit boards from. But anyway, down to the star of the show. Let's have a look at my next project. This board again is for the PLL02ag, but we're actually specialising in the PLL02ag version this time, which with the correct pinouts allows you to get 5kc. But before we get too deep into that, let's have a look at these circuit boards. And if you've been following my channel, you'll notice that they look very similar to my other PLL02ag boards, but this one has got a few extra connections on it. So we've renamed one of the connections for the low band. We've added a 5kc connector. Hopefully this should fit inside the radio. So let's have a look at the boards close up. I've just done a comparison there with the UK 5 to show how small this silk screen printing is, and considering this printing is very small, I don't think it's that bad at all. It's definitely perfectly readable. You can see the plated through holes and the vias. Now I know the edges on this are a little bit, but it's due to their machining on this very small and unusually shaped board, because you've got to remember that the width of this board is only the same size as a 16 pin IC. Let's have a look at the components. Basically we've just got some bypass components and some 10k pull down or pull up resistors. These are all done by JLCPCB using their extensive parts library. So all in all, excellent boards as always. Can't wait to try these out in the radio. So there we have it. So stay tuned, because this board will be going inside a Cybernet radio very, very soon, as we do a full conversion on it. Once again, thank you JLC PCB for providing these boards for me. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next video featuring these boards, and we'll see you next time.